postponement of NEET PG 2024, students who were set to take the exam the very next day have been expressing concerns over the sudden decision. The postponement came amid protests over paper leaks and other alleged irregularities in the conduct of the NEET undergraduate exam. To put the story in perspective, NEET PG usually takes place from December to January. It was delayed and scheduled for 3rd March this year. Then it was postponed to 7th July and then advanced to 23rd June. And now it stands postponed indefinitely. More than 2 lakh doctors were about to take the NEET PG exam in the next 8 hours, and the abrupt decision to postpone it has been heavily criticized by the candidates, many of whom had to travel to other cities to appear for the exam. After taking leaves, spending money on travel, and booking accommodation in advance. Social media is flooded with angry posts from NEET aspirants. The anger is understandable. However, it's not the end of the road. The message to the candidates affected by alleged irregularities in NEET UG and those impacted by the NEET PG exam postponement is to stay resilient. News 18 spoke to multiple mental and physical health experts who advise taking control over emotions causing anxiety, irritability, and frustration. Any such uncertainty and disruption can undoubtedly impact the mental and emotional well-being of these aspiring professionals. Dr. Rajiv Jayadevan, who was the first rank holder in Kerala State Medical Entrance in 1986, told me that the recent events make him cringe. He shared multiple pieces of advice for these candidates, while adding that if the prevailing uncertainty is making these aspirants anxious, remember that uncertainty is a part of being alive on the planet. He advised to seek professional help instead of self-diagnosing or turning to other substances for temporary relief. We must understand that doctors are just as human as anyone else and can face the same physical and mental health issues. If you constantly feel a loss of interest or motivation, are not sleeping well, or lack your usual energy, seek professional help instead of self-diagnosing. Similarly, mental health counselors also suggest reaching out for support by talking to your friends, family, or a mental health professional to share your thoughts and feelings. A psychotherapist who works as a mental health counselor at a public hospital told News 18 while requesting anonymity that some of the affected students have reached out to her to share their concern over the bleak future. These aspirants are advised to maintain a structured daily schedule and self-care routines to preserve a sense of normalcy. You should take care of your physical and mental health by eating well, getting enough sleep, exercising, and engaging in activities that bring you joy and relaxation. Mental health professionals acknowledge that entrance exams have always been stressful. However, the ongoing state of affairs would impact these candidates even more severely. Students should stay away from consuming too much news. They should not overuse social media and doom scrolling. It's better to just have enough necessary information. Repeatedly reading opinions and counter opinions on the given situation only helps to increase the anger and frustration, making one feel like a helpless victim. This impacts the focus and causes an overwhelming surge of negative feelings and emotions. Take a look from a bigger perspective. Entrance tests are not going to decide the quality of your life. You are going to do that. At the end of the day, success depends on an individual's satisfaction and happiness, which depends on multiple factors. In short, take control of your nerves and stay informed about any updates regarding the exam. It is a challenging time. However, with patience and determination, you can overcome it.